Good morning, dear students. I, Vidyasagar, your SS teacher, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Iswa. Today, I am going to start subject History of Standard 6, and this is third video lecture on the topic Upanishad. Dear students, as we know that Upanishad, the term Upanishad, it means sitting near the teacher and listening it carefully. But can we assume that all the persons, whether they all were allowed to hear this Upanishad? No. Only the male person were allowed to learn this, and in that male person also only the Brahmins and the kings, they were usually allowed to hear this Upanishad, and generally the women's, they were not allowed to listen this Upanishad. Okay, Upanishad, the term Upanishad, it means basically it was related with the truth. It means those truth which are prevailing in the society. So basically the women's, they also want to hear this truth, but they were not allowed, as in some of the women's, like the Gargi, Jabali, these were the women who were in the, you can say, the accepted, and they were just allowed to learn the Upanishad, as this was happening because they have struggled for it, and thus they were allowed to hear the Upanishad. Okay, like that, Jabali, who was a slave at the time, and her son, whose name was Satkam Jabal, he has also learned the Upanishad, being as the, you can say, Sudras community. It means what we can understand that only the Brahman, Kshatriya, and Vaisya, these were the three communities which were allowed to hear the Upanishad, but the lower communities like the Shudras, they were not allowed. But these have broken the rules by they have attended these and learned the Upanishad. Okay, so their name are mentioned here because they have break the rule that if men can learn this, then women can also learn this. Okay, next is the Panini, the grammarian. Students, Panini, who was the great Sanskrit scholar. Okay, and he has prepared a grammar for Sanskrit, and he arranged the vowel and consonant in a special order, and then used to create the formulae like found in algebra. That's why the Panini name is also mentioned in the history. Okay, now he also write down these rules of language in a short formulae. Around 3000 years of them are there. Do you know, we are just getting our Sanskrit in a easy way, that only it is the subject that we have to study, but you will amazed to understand that America now is researching that Sanskrit is the only language which doesn't have the repentance, and it can be used for the some of the secret things. See, other countries people, they are respecting our cultures, but our countries people, they are not respecting. They don't even try to learn that what the language is given there. Okay, next is about the Jainism. As we know, the first Jain Tirthankar was Rishabh Deva, and the 23 was Parshvanath, and 24th Jain Tirthankar, who was Bardhaman Mahavir. Okay, he spread the knowledge, and he belongs to the Kshatriya prince of the Lichvi. That was a part of Vaji Sangh. Okay, nowadays it is known as Vaisali. Okay, near the Hajipur, and in the other side of the river Ganga. Okay, now he also, like the Buddhas, he was born later, but before Mahabir was born. Okay, so he left his home at the age of 30. Okay, and lived into the forest, and for 12 years of hard meditation and hard, he also attained the enlightenment. यानी कि 12 वर्ष की कठिन तपस्या के बाद महावीर ने जो है बुद्ध ज्ञान की प्राप्ति की, और 30 वर्ष की अवस्था में जो है उन्होंने भी जो है अपना गृह त्याग कर दिया था। ही टॉट द सिंपल, उन्होंने बहुत साधारण तरीके से समझाया दैट मेन एंड वुमेन दोज हु वांट टू लर्न अबाउट द ट्रूथ, वैसे पुरुष और महिला जो कि ज्ञान और सच्चाई के खोज में जाना चाहते हैं, उन्हें जो है अपना गृह त्याग कर देना चाहिए, और गृह त्याग के बाद ही उन्हें जो है सच का जो है वो सामना हो पाएगा। एंड दे ऑल फॉलो द स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स ऑफ हर्टिंग एनी एनिमल्स और किलिंग लिविंग बींग्स, यानी कि सत्य और अहिंसा का जो पाठ था, है ना, ये महावीर ने भी सिखाया, इसके साथ साथ बुद्ध ने भी सिखाया। और इस अहिंसा में यह बतलाया गया था कि किसी भी जानवर, पशु पक्षी या किसी भी मानव की हत्या करना जो है वो अपराध है, ठीक है। एंड ऑर्डिनरी पीपल ऑल दे हैव लर्न द टीचिंग्स ऑफ महावीरा बिकॉज इट वॉज इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ प्राकृत, है ना, इट वॉज in the local ordinary language so that more and more people could attend it. Okay, and as the name, it was kept in the name of the region, like the Prakrit language it was used in Magadh, so it was known as Magdhi. Okay, and the followers of Mahavir, they were known as the Jains. Okay, Mahavir Jain, we also told it. And those Jain peoples, they usually worship the Mahavira, and they also used to lead the simple lives and used to beg for the food. They also oppose that we should not tell lie, we should not keep lot of wealth, we should not steal the things, चोरी नहीं करना, है ना, धन जमा करने की भी मनाही है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ों का जो है इन्होंने वर्णन किया, सच और अहिंसा के मार्ग पे चलना। सो दीज वेर द थिंग्स दैट द महावीरा दे हैव taught to us, but it was difficult for most men and women to follow the strict rules. लेकिन जैसे जैसे ये लोगों को लग रहा था कि ये बहुत कठिन है, so nevertheless thousands of men and women they have left their homes, और बहुत सारे हजारों की संख्या में जो है वो पुरुष और महिलाओं ने जो है अपना गृह त्याग कर चुका था। they were also learn and teach the new path of new way of life, उन्होंने जीवन के एक नए मार्ग की ओर कदम रखा। and those peoples who did not become the monks, है ना, and who remained behind, they used to provide the food for them. Jain was basically supported by the traders. आज की डेट में भी हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि जैन जो है वो ज़्यादातर व्यवसायी वर्ग में प्रचलित है, and at the earlier times it was also famous among the traders. Okay, so the farmers who used to plow the field, and during their plowing maybe the insect, maybe the some of the worms, they used to be killed. So farmers they used to not follow this, क्योंकि इसमें लिखा हुआ था कि किसी अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाना है। अहिंसा यानी किसी की भी जो है हत्या नहीं करनी है, लेकिन किसान जो कि हल चलाते थे तो उनके हल से बहुत से छोटे छोटे जीव जंतुओं की हत्या हो जाती थी। ओके, सो जैनिज्म ऑल अराउंड इट वाज स्प्रेडेड इन द नॉर्थ रीजन लाइक इन गुजरात, तमिलनाडु, ओके, एंड इन साउथ ऑल्सो तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका। ओके, टीचिंग्स ऑफ महावीरा वाज ट्रांसमिटेड ओरली फॉर सेवरल सेंचुरीज, और जो है ये मौखिक रूप से जो है बहुत ही अनेक शताब्दियों तक जो है ये प्रचलित होता रहा। एंड द रिटेन डिफाइन फॉर्म, और जो लिखित रूप था, इट वाज प्रेजेंटली अवेलेबल इन गुजरात वल्लभी, ओके, विच वॉज अराउंड 1500 ईयर्स एगो, जो कि 1500 साल पहले जो है लिखा गया था। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड कीप वॉचिंग। थैंक यू।